बहुत ही स्पेशली क्यूरेटेड गेस्ट लिस्ट क्यूरेट की है हमारे लिए. आप यू कम फ्रॉम द प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ फूड, राइट? Organic food. Tell me more about your product.
So to answer your question, Sunny, let me ask you. You just a while ago you actually mentioned about, you know what, I'm diagnosed with hypothyroid and I really don't know how.
Right.
So what do you think would be the reason behind that?
Yeah, इसका सवाल का
You
जवाब
don't
तो-
have an answer, right? That is exactly what we are here to address.
Right.
What has happened in this world is there is a surplus supply of products which are made with no sense,
Right.
and purely keeping in mind the marketing and the commercial profit that comes out of a food. Every single organization who's dealing with the food industry treats food as a commodity.
Right.
And we at Roots treat food as life. It is not a commodity.
Okay.
And every single product that comes on our platform is actually checked for its nutrition, checked for its benefits, and we make sure that what is coming on our platform is something which is going to be a value addition to the family and not detrimental.
Okay.
And that's so much negative impact the food is causing among young children. Did we ever hear about eczema? Did we ever hear about obesity? Did we
Right.
ever hear about autism?
Right.
I mean, I know of families who are hale and hearty and suddenly there's a kid who's born with autism. So there's a lot of change in the food which has happened over years thanks to the industrialization, because of the kind of food that we are eating day in, day out, which is playing with our genetics, which is playing with our DNA, and which is bringing about these kind of ailments which we are not even aware of. Very particular that what comes in our platform is coming from the right source.
Right.
What I ensure is I also work with the right people, because it's the people end of the day who make the business. It's not just the product. People have to be driven by passion and purpose. So when I started my journey, I went looking for people who are not purely working on commercial terms, but with the purpose of giving back to the community. And that's exactly what helped me build my platform in such a way that every single product that you be nasty free, and we have testimonials and people coming back to us saying that, hey, listen, I feel great, really glad that we have a platform like this where I don't need to really worry about picking something and reading the ingredient and ensuring it is good.
About the platform, highlight the platform to me. What's the website?
So we are an online store called www.rootsorganics.com, and we offer more than 1,000 products which are personally handpicked. I personally tested every single product in my kitchen first, and once I approve of it is what goes platform. And we support local farmers as well as the dairy farmers. So we have a lot of products coming from the local farms as well as a lot of artisanal products. So more people are moving towards adopting this conscious living, and I'm here to support them.
Wonderful. Well, we're getting to know, Ashwini